What's up, guys? Flawless full case random number 3. Going live. Timestamp 553. Already have the names and the teams in. Teams and names, they're in. Let's do the teams first. Dice has to be 4 or more. It's a 6. We randomize both. Throw it in the spreadsheet wherever you line up. That is who you get. Jets on top. Nobody wants the top spot. 49ers on the bottom. ALNVKV is the code for the teams. Let's do the names. 7 on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ralph on top. Ralph on the bottom. OYCJGN. Code for the names. Boom. There you go. That's who everybody has. Thank you all very much for joining. Good luck to everyone, and we are done. Timestamp 554. Thanks, guys.